Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, Panini Ashtadhayayi Sthapatya, Lesson 17. In this lesson, we shall be concentrating upon how the first sutra is making a format for flow of transcendental content from the orb of the sun for its reach up till core of the earth and back. See, there are 10 letters: Va, Ri, Do, Dha, I, Ra, Ha, Da, I, and Ja. Let us translate it into numbers, these letters into numbers. These are 7, 4, 6, 7, 2, 3, 2, 6, 8, and 2. Now let us see. This 7 is a 7 space. It is as origin of 6 space. So it is a point from where is a reach of 7 streams flow. So 7 space is entering here, and now this entry of these 7 streams is within 6 space, which has 4 space as an origin. So these 7 streams in 4 space. Now these 7 streams are in 4 space, which is a dimension of a 6 space. So this is the reach. Now this flow is, along a soul syllable O, that is from a Bindu Sarovar point reservoir to Ardhamatra. It is a reach here, and it is number 2. So what is the reach up till this? It is 7 streams, and these are in creative dimension of a 6 space. And so spatial order taking us to another 7 streams, and its reach is up till a second component. So it is 7, it is 4, it is 6, it is 7, and it is 2. Then you see that Divya Ganga Pravaha along soul syllable Om is of 7 streams, and same result into 3 streams for east and 3 streams for the west. So this reach is 3. Now, as there is both ways, and here is the reach up till 2. It is this phase which deserves to be appreciated, as that a 3-dimensional frame is splitting into a pair of three-dimensional frames of half dimensions, and it is happening. It is this happening of 2, 2 and 3 which is to be appreciated. And once we will be appreciating this, then we see here is 6 reach. And then you see that the Divya Ganga Parvaha from soul syllable O has of triple dimensions and both hands. Here is a swastik pada from where there is a reach, and it is 4 and 4 which makes 8. And then you see the third form of 4, 4, 2 means in a reverse direction. It is this reverse which is attained here. Sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vriddhiradaj shall, as a first step, write letters text, translate into numbers text, then proceed sequentially. This sequential reach is that 7 as a 7 space, and this flow of 7 streams as a Bindu Srovar reaching up till the origin of a 6 space. Then at next step we know that it is 4 space which is playing the role of a dimension of a 6 space. So our reach up till this. Then see that we are having a 7 streams flow within 6 space at the origin of a 4 space and making 6 space as a domain. See a step ahead what is happening. Now there is a flow of 7 space within 6 space, and it makes a raised to power 17 is to 14 b raised to power 6, and 14 is 7 plus 7, and we know the formulation Sapt. Simple rendering 7 is of TCB value 14, and it is this feature, this value 7 as this. Now it is a reach from Bindu Slova to Ardhamatra. So we are seeing that there is a flow of 7 streams and 7 streams here from within 6 space, which is a raised to power 7 resulting into 14 b raised to power 6. And it is this reach which is from the Bindu Sarovar to a Ardhamatra. If we are successful to comprehend this, then we will be of a mental state where we shall be appreciating that a three-dimensional frame is splitting into a pair of three-dimensional frames of half dimensions. So it is this which is taking us to this organization. Once we have reached up till this organization, and once we appreciate that split of three-dimensional frames into this form, these are numbers 3 and 6. And see what is happening here. It is 1, 1 and 1 over 1. These are linear dimension. Here is 2 over 2, 2 over 2 and 2 over 2. So once we have reached here, then ahead is the step that we are reaching at the fourth component of soul syllable. So Bindu Sarovar, Ardhamatra, Tripundaram, and there is being reached at a swastik pada. So it is 4 and 4 it is 8. Now there is a Pushpika flow is in, and it is this Pushpika where there is a reach. So it is 7 streams as 3 streams as a single stream, reaching within a 4 space again. And because of a spatial dimension, there is a reversal of an orientation. Sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic knowledge systems at the base of Panini Ashtadhayayi shall visit and revisit and visit number of times, as many number of times as one can, to have a full comprehension as to how this very first sutra in fact is the last sutra, as there is the reversal of orientation. So when we will be starting with A and reaching up till Vridir Adach, that is, it would be 3, 9 and 6, 1. Here it is the 1 and 1. It is the first sutra, it is the last sutra, or it is the first sutra and it is the last sutra. And here there will be an available of a Maheshwara format. And this will complete. Sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic knowledge systems, Vedic mathematics, Vedic sciences, Vedic technologies, the way the solar universe is manifesting existence phenomenon within frames and without frames, including the frames, human frame, shall permit the mind to create intelligence field and to acquire consciousness base for the intelligence field, and for it chase it. One of the features of Hriday Radach is that it is the format for flow of the transcendental content from orb of the sun through rays of the sun, and same enters through the eastern cosmic window into the creators of space, playing the role of a dimension of a sixth space. It is heart. This happening within the heart as it is going to be of this formulation flow format. It is a Divya Ganga Pravaha format. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with knowledge systems, organization formats, Vedic mathematics, Vedic sciences, Vedic technologies, and Vedic knowledge leading to Vedic enlightenment order. So we have to regularly sequentially update our TCV dictionary, in which when we will be at the text of Sutra first, which becomes the last sutra as well, Vridiradach, this shall be entered in our TCV dictionary, and then one shall reach at its Sthapatya referencer. So here we have to begin with Devanagari alphabet, this Devanagari alphabet. Then we will reach at its first fold, letters to numbers fold. Then we'll translate from numbers to Sthapatya, which will take us to space content, that is D factor, full unit and half unit bodies. Once these features have been there, then we will be in a position to see as to how the transcendental content is flowing from orb of the sun as seven streams which manifest as three streams on eastern side, three streams on western side, and central stream following the Bhagirath. This is a feature which deserves to be comprehended well. For it one shall sit comfortably, one shall permit the mind to create intelligence, one shall permit the transcending mind to reach for attainment of a consciousness base for the intelligence field created by the mind. Once that is there, then one is to follow the way within the human heart. There are emerging impulses of consciousness which meet, fulfill the intelligence field. With it, the intelligence field will be of sequential consciousness formatted states of mind. Accordingly, one will have a melting for the mental states, and with it, the Divya Ganga Prabha, the transcendental content flow through the soul syllable Om of four components Bindu Sarovar, Ardhamatra, Tripundram, and Swastik Pada. It is this feature which deserves to be comprehended well, and once we will be up till this Tripundram and the Swastik Pada, then you see we will be in a position to be self-referral. It is our self-referral state which is called a Bhagavad Chetana. We start with Jagrit, which is awakening state, then Swapan, dream state, Sushupti, deep sleep state, then Turiya Atit, then Bhagavad, and finally we will be reaching at the Ekagra Sthiti, and it is this last unity state, the seventh state, which will go parallel with the flow of the transcendental content from orb of